Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 19 August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous question. Our first question was, which state become first in country to implementing Amrut scheme? Bihar, Goa, Odisha, Punjab. The correct answer here is option C, Odisha. Odisha has retained its top position in implementing of the Amrut scheme. The abbreviation of the Amrut is Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. Okay, and it is launched in 2015 by Narendra Modi government. Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Navin Patnaik, and Professor Ganeshi Lal is the governor of Odisha. Okay. Our second question was, who is the brand ambassador of e-bike Go? Harbhajan Singh, Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Harbhajan Singh. Harbhajan Singh is the brand ambassador of electric mobility startup e-bike Go. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's session. First question of the today's session is, who won the title sponsorship rights of IPL 2020? Dream 11, Vivo, Oppo, Reliance. The correct answer here is Dream 11. Option A is correct here. The title sponsorship right of Indian Premier League 2020 has been backed by the fantasy gaming startup Dream 11. Dream 11. Okay, you can see the logo here. And Dream 11 got the title sponsorship rights for Rs 2022 crore. Up 2022 crore. And the founder of the Dream 11 is Harsh Jain and Bhavit Seth. Harsh Jain and Bhavit Seth. Okay. Previously, Vivo is the sponsorship of the IPL, and but recently 59 Chinese app is banned by government of India, and Vivo is also boycotted by government of India. So Dream 11 is the new sponsorship of IPL 2020. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has stepped down from Election Commission of India? Girish Chandra Murmu, Ashok Lavasa, N. Yadav. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Ashok Lavasa. Ashok Lavasa has stepped down as Election Commissioner of India. He has submitted his resignation to the President of India recently. Okay, you can see the image of Ashok Lavasa here. Lavasa is set to join Philippines-based ADB, Asian Development Bank, as the Vice President from September 2020. So he resigned from Election Commission of India, Commissioner of India. Okay, I hope you got the facts now. Next question. Renowned classical vocalist Pandit Yasraj passed away when he got the prestigious Padma Vibhushan Award. 1975, 1987, 1999, 2000. The correct answer here is option D, 2000. As per you know, the renowned classical vocalist Pandit Yasraj recently passed away, and he is a very veteran classical singer of the Indian, of the internationally also, and he got Padma Shri Award in 1975. He got Padma Shri Award in 1975, and in 1987 Sangeet Natak Academy Award he got, and in 1999 he got Padma Bhushan Award, and in 2000 he got prestigious, the second highest civilian award of our India, Padma Vibhushan Award. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which state has announced to launch Padhai Tuar Para scheme? Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha. The correct answer here is Chhattisgarh. Option A is correct here. Chhattisgarh government has announced to launch its student-centric scheme Padhai Tuhar Para. This scheme will enable the school students to study with the help of community in their localities and villages. Okay, this initiative is started by Chhattisgarh government. The capital of the Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel, and Anusuya Uki is the governor of Chhattisgarh. Okay. Next question. Who has partnered with CWC of India for broadcasting initiative? Flipkart, Facebook, Google, Amazon. The correct answer here is Google. Option C is correct here. Google and Central Water Commission, CWC stands for Central Water Commission of India, have launched the flood forecasting initiatives across the India. Okay, and the CWC chairman is Rajendra Kumar Jain. Rajendra Kumar Jain is the CWC chairman. Okay, and headquarters of the CWC is situated in New Delhi. In New Delhi, headquarters of the CWC is situated. And recently, CWC and Google are partnered to forecasting the initiative across the India. Okay. Next question. GP Garg became new executive director of which organization? SEBI, DRDO, ICMR, NTPC. The correct answer here is SEBI. Option A is correct here. Securities Exchange Board of India. Abbreviation of the SEBI is Securities Exchange Board of India. The SEBI has approved GP Garg as executive director. Executive director, and you can see the image of GP Garg here. The chairman of the SEBI is recently is Ajay Tyagi. Ajay Tyagi is the chairman, and headquarters of the SEBI is situated in Mumbai. It is situated in Mumbai. Okay. Next question. The 13th session of Joint Commission meeting held between India and which country recently? Australia, UAE, China, Bangladesh. The correct answer here is UAE. Option B is correct here. The 13th session of the India and UAE Joint Commission meeting of Trade, Economic and Technical Cooperation was held. The session was co-chaired by Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar. Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, the External Affairs Minister of our India, and it is held between UAE and India. The capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the capital of UAE. United Arab Emirates is the abbreviation of UAE. Okay. Next question. Quality Control Lab has been set up by whom in Porbandar, Gujarat? MPEDA, NTPC, SEBI. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, MPEDA. Abbreviation is Marine Product Export Development Authority. Marine Product Export Development Authority. Okay, the Quality Control Lab has been set up in Porbandar, Gujarat by MPEDA. Okay, Gujarat is in news. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani, and Acharya Devvrat is the governor of Gujarat. Okay. Next question. AIFF partnered with whom to launch the web platform ePathshala? AIMS, SAI, ICMR. Option D, none of these. The answer here is option B, SAI, Sports Authority of India. SAI stands for Sports Authority of India. The All India Football Federation, AIFF stands for All India Football Federation, has launched the web platform ePathshala in partnership with Sports Authority of India. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Last question of the today's session is, who has launched the portal Swasthya and Aleg? Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Ayush Ministry, Health Ministry. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Option A is correct here. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs recently launched the portal Swasthya and Aleg. And who is the Union Minister of Tribal Affairs now? Arjun Munda. Remember the name. Arjun Munda is the Minister of Tribal Affairs now. And the Tribal Health and Nutrition portal is Swasthya. Swasthya is the Tribal Health and Nutrition portal, and Alec is the e-newsletter on health and nutrition. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Our first question is, which bank has launched Shaurya KGC card to member of armed forces? Our second question is, who chaired the fourth meeting of BRICS anti-drug working group? Please try to answer more in comment section. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students get help, and please share it in your educational related group. And those who first visit educational link, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.